Good morning, students. Today we are going to see Chapter 7 Human Settlements. Our today's point is Settlement Patterns in Brazil. Here is given figure 7.2a, the figure of the lowlands of Amazon River. As we see towards figure, we come to know that there is found dispersed kind of settlement. What is dispersed settlement? Look at the figure. Here is given dispersed settlement. Dispersed settlement means settlement which is far away from each other or which is not compact, which is not close settlement is called dispersed settlement. And in Amazon River Basin there is found such kind of settlement. What is the reason behind that? Why in Amazon River Basin there is found dispersed kind of settlement? As we know that Amazon River Basin is located in the northern part of Brazil. The Amazon River Basin is located near the equator. Due to the proximity to equator, proximity means nearness to equator, the Amazon River Basin has hot and humid climatic conditions throughout the year. The Amazon River Basin receives heavy rainfall throughout the year. Due to heavy rainfall and bright sunshine, dense evergreen moist rainforests grow in this region. Due to the climatic conditions and heavy moisture, the Amazon River Basin is extremely unhealthy. Besides this, due to the dense rainforest, Amazon River Basin's area has become inaccessible. Inaccessible means unable to reach. Therefore, there are limitations on the use and exploitation of natural resources available in that region. Transport facilities are also not too developed in this region. Transport facilities are poorly developed because of the unfavorable climatic conditions and rugged topography. Rugged means rough topography. Land portion is not flat. Due to these all unfavorable factors, there is found dispersed kind of settlement. Look at the figure. Here is given figure 7.2b, figure of Sao Paulo. It means here is given settlement pattern of Sao Paulo. As we see towards figure, we come to know that there is found nucleated kind of settlement. It means compact settlement. Settlement is very close from each other. Look at the picture. Here is given the picture of nucleated settlement. Houses are very close and compact from each other. And such kind of settlement is found in Sao Paulo. Concentrated type of human settlements are found in the coastal areas. Therefore, high density of human settlements is found here. Let's discuss the reasons of nucleated human settlements in Sao Paulo in Brazil. Sao Paulo is located in the southeastern part of Brazil. The southeast coastal region of Sao Paulo has mild and humid climatic conditions. Sao Paulo is rich in the deposits of minerals, fertile land, steady energy supply, plenty of water, and good transport systems. Due to the fertile land of Sao Paulo, there is coffee production is on large scale. Besides these causes, due to the progress in agriculture and other industries, human settlements have grown on a large scale in Sao Paulo. All these favorable factors have led to the growth of nucleated human settlements in Sao Paulo in Brazil. Next point is geographical explanation. Let's discuss about this point. The earlier settlements in Brazil were formed by the settlers from Europe, mainly in the coastal areas. It means the earlier settlements were formed in the eastern coastal areas of Brazil. These settlements are formed by settlers from Europe. In Brazil, human settlements are comparatively sparse. Sparse means low or less in the northern coastal region and comparatively dense in the southeastern coastal region. Because southeastern coastal region of Brazil has plenty of water, availability of natural resources, deposits of minerals, and availability of transport and regular water and power supply. So, European settlers they set up their settlements in the coastal areas. Students, look at the pictures. Here are given some pictures of earlier settlements in Brazil. Those were set up by the European settlers. As we see towards settlements, we come to know that availability of water is a major factor affecting settlements. Because human beings require water to satisfy their various daily needs. Water is required for agriculture as well as industries. If water is not available, the agriculture and industries would not flourish. Due to the availability of water, the agriculture and industries gets developed. Many employment opportunities are generated. In this way, availability of water is a major factor affecting settlements. So we can see that most of the settlements are set up near the water areas. Our next point is now the settlements have developed are densely populated. The major reasons of development are as follows. With the comparison of the earlier settlements, now modern settlements are very developed settlements, as well as these settlements are densely populated settlements. Although the coastal area is hot and humid, there is limited flat land because of the rugged topography, because of the uneven structure of the land. The region has good water supply and a large range of natural resources. For example, Sao Paulo has a large water supply as well as a large deposits of natural resources. Most of the area of Sao Paulo is under the cultivation of coffee because Sao Paulo has a very fertile and rich soil which is useful for coffee cultivation. Sao Paulo has large supply of minerals such as iron ore which is very useful for industries. So in Sao Paulo there are set up variety of industries, different kinds of industries. Because of modernization and urbanization, Sao Paulo has a good transport system. This makes the Sao Paulo area is nucleated settlement. See figure 7.3. Our next point is rural areas such as the Northeast Highlands suffer from extreme droughts, which make it difficult for practicing agriculture and hence developments are sparse here. Sparse means less or low settlements. The Northeast Highlands means Brazilian Highlands belongs to rural areas which suffers extreme drought conditions, which is difficult for practicing agriculture and hence there is found sparse settlement. Sparse means dispersed settlements. Here are given some pictures of rural settlements in Brazil. Look at the figures. Types of rural settlements. Settlements become sparse as we move in towards the central part of Brazil. Given are some major reasons. First reason is area is covered by thick, dense equatorial rainforest. See figure 7.4. Look at the figure 7.4. Here area is covered by thick, dense equatorial rainforest. So there is sparse settlement. Second cause is the climate here is unhealthy and unfit for settlement. Due to dense evergreen rainforest, the area of Amazon River basin has become inaccessible and unhealthy. Third reason is limitations on use and exploitation of natural resources. Due to the inaccessibility, unhealthy atmosphere, there are some limitations and restrictions on the use and exploitation of natural resources. And last cause is poor transport links in the region. Due to the dense rainforest, inaccessibility of the region, rugged topography, very poor transport facilities are available in Amazon River basin. Due to these unfavorable factors, dispersed and scattered human settlements are found in the Amazon River basin. In this way, we have seen today settlement patterns in Brazil. Students, textbook reading is very important. Without textbook reading, you cannot understand anything. So you must read your text once, twice. Thank you.